Card visual. The card visual are most important, I think, visuals in Power BI. So we use card visual to display a single key metric prominently. So if you want to say, if you want to represent how many product you sell in a single month, what are the total number of employees working, out of these how many are females and males, and if you want to see how much you profit gain within a particular month or a particular year, then in that scenarios card we will give you the best VL at a single point of time with the help of a single value. So when to use it? For highlighting a single KPI. KPI means key performing indicator or summary value in dashboard, where simplicity is key. What is mean by simplicity is key? So you will be representing your whole data set with the help of a single value. Like profit, if you want to show your profit for 1 year, so simply by selecting the card option, it will give you that at any particular year, what is your total profit. In scenarios, if you want to show total sales, average customer rating or current stock level at a glance, revenue, profit, cost, and etc. So what is the labeling option? So in case of fields, select a single measure. Again, while making card, you do not have the option of x-axis or y-axis. So what are the option? What are the labeling option then for the card visuals? So for card visuals, you have the option of fields, and in field you can take one single measures. Call out values, the display number if you want to display the number on your card. Category label, it is optional, and no access. And conditional formatting. Conditional formatting means that if you want to change the color of your card, and then you can select the color from the options as well. So here you can see that I have made multiple cards with different colors. So here you can see that it is a single card that is showing a particular product total sales. Again, here it is showing that what is the total sales of blue product. This is showing the total sale of black product, and this is showing the total sales of, you can say that if it is a like say maroon color. So basically card is showing you the single value at a particular point of time. So if you want to represent profit of your data set, so if you want to see that if you are selling mobile phones, laptop, chargers, and cables, earphones, and then you can show the data set by single with the help of a single card, and it will tell you that in a particular month how much laptop was sold, how much mobile phone was sold, how much cable was sold, and what was their total revenue. So the value of all these can be shown with the help of a single card differently, separately.